Hi boys and girls. So this morning we've been talking about fall, and we've been making leaves and doing some color mixing experiments and things. Today is another one of those. And today in your packet you received a tree like this. There's no leaves on it, it's just a bare tree with a trunk and branches. Now you also received a couple cups that had baggies of paint in them, all right? Then you also received a little baggie with Q-tips, like these little Q-tips here. Now what you need to do for this project is first you need to put your paint in your cups, and I'm going to show Mom a little trick to maybe help you do that. So when you get your little baggie of paint that's all zipped up, go ahead and squeeze it kind of like if you're going to make a cake or something, like a little baked pastry bag like this. But before you cut it, squeeze the tip like that so there's no paint at the end. See how that is? Then what you can do is take a little pair of scissors and let's just cut off the tip of that. Then take your cup and now just squeeze it in like it's a pastry cup. See how it's squeezed in like that? And then easy peasy, you got your paint out of your bag into your cup. Alrighty. So once that's done, you're going to take your Q-tips, and this is kind of the fun part. You can use as many Q-tips as you want. You can use them one at a time, or maybe you can bundle them together. Now hopefully I gave you enough Q-tips that you can do a little bit of everything. So what we want to do is we are going to make a fall tree. Now the trees are starting to change color. If you go outside, you'll notice that some of the leaves on some of the trees are a different color now, and they get beautiful in the fall. And so we're going to make our own beautiful fall tree. So what we need to do is put your tree down on a flat surface, a table or something, and then you're going to take your paint. Now we have red and yellow. Now with the absorption art project we did, when we combined red and yellow, what happened? Remember, it turned orange. So you can also make orange this way. So I'm going to take a little bit of red and I put it on my Q-tip. And first I'm just going to do little dots, okay? So it's kind of like stamping. You're going to stamp your paper to make little dots on your paper. Let me do a couple more here so you can see. All right. You can make little circles like that to make little leaves, alrighty? Now, if you want, then you can take another Q-tip and do yellow, and maybe make some yellow leaves, put a little bit more paint, and make some yellow leaves, like so, just one at a time. But we can also, what we can do, is we can take a couple Q-tips and put them together like this, and do maybe two at a time. And now I can put the red in there, and I can stamp on there. And then if I take another two clean ones, I can put it in yellow. And if I stamp over the top of the red that I did, let's see what happens. Okay. If I stamp over the red with the yellow, what color does that end up making? That's right, you can make orange, right? So I say you can keep mixing your colors and making beautiful, beautiful fall tree. All right, I'm going to keep working on mine, making a beautiful fall tree. And you can even mix your paint if you want together into another cup. So you have a red, a yellow, and an orange paint all together if you want. I'm going to put a few up at the top here and make this tree. This is fun, and you can do, again, one at a time with your Q-tip. You can even rub your Q-tip if you want. If I mix it together here, if you decide you want to actually paint with it, see, you can actually paint with your Q-tip too and rub it around. So we can dot it to make dots, or you can rub it around or make shapes, whatever you want, to end up making a beautiful fall tree. So I hope you can make a great fall tree. Use those fun Q-tips. Tell Mommy to be careful squeezing out the paint so we don't get it anywhere. But have fun with that, boys and girls, okay? Bye.